you like this hair and you would like to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and stay tuned for the details on this hair. Wait a minute, before we go on, how about you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Come on, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Let's go ahead and jump into the details of this hair. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around to find out the details of this hair. This hair review is coming from Amazon. It's a human hair wig. It's from the company ATZO Wigs. This is the packaging that the hair came in, this plastic packaging. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open the package with you guys so we can see what this wig looks like. So it's in another plastic bag. It looks like they also give you a wig cap, which I'm not going to use that wig cap that's in there. I'm going to use the one that I have in my hand. So let's go ahead and open this wig so we can check out the details and the structure of the wig. So right off the bat, the hair feels nice and soft. Let's take a look at the inside of the wig. So the inside of the wig, there's actually a little lace piece right here on the closure on the inside of the wig, and then they have like the netting from the original stocking cap. So I'm going to cut that off with you guys, cut this around so that I can just have this lace piece right here that's on the wig. Also on the inside of the wig, there are two combs on the side, one comb in the middle, and there is a comb at the nape of the wig. There's also adjustable straps inside this wig. So let me go ahead and cut off the lace of this wig and cut out the inside stocking cap part of the wig so that we can try it on. There it is. I cut out the inside lace of the wig where they originally constructed the cap, and now I just have the lace front right here, the frontal piece of the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off the front of the wig. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps in the back of this wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on so we can see what it looks like. Off the back, I can tell you right now that I'm probably going to have to do some styling to this wig, so there will be an additional clip in this video with me styling this wig. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put her on so we can see what she looks like. So this is the hair straight out of the pack. This is a 10-inch bob, it says. I received this wig from Amazon, and the cost of this unit is $50.89. I will also leave a link for all of that information in the description box below. But this is what the hair looks like straight out of the packet. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and widen the part on this a little bit. Widen the part, and I'm going to put some heat to her and curl her so we can see what she looks like. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check that. the last clip, I styled and curled this hair. This is a human hair wig. I was able to curl this wig on 400 degrees. I actually started out on 460, but I had to turn it down a little bit because I felt like I was burning the hair out a little bit. So I turned the curling iron down to 400 and I was able to curl the hair at 400 degrees. I went with like a messy style with this. I know I gotta get my curling skills back up. I haven't curled hair in a really long time. So, but anyway, I went with a messy curl on this one just to kind of give it that messy bob look. So that is pretty much it for this hair. You guys tell me what you think of this hair. Do you like it? Would you purchase it? Yes or no? If you would like to purchase this hair, the link will be listed in the description box down below. And make sure you guys subscribe, share, comment, and like my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. And remember, if no one has told you, you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, you are who God says you are. Many blessings.